Okay, little warning. If you can't handle nail stuff, picking and pulling and bruise, dried blood crunch, skip to, I'll put it here. Skip there. I don't know if you're ever gonna be able to see this, but it's so disgusting. Do you see my nail? See how I have not done this sooner. This whole thing's coming up. Oh my God, I demolished my nail. Maybe it's the lightning. Ugh. Update. This is her with a protective coating. All the blood's gone. Oh, this is horrible. This is so much worse than it looks. Ready? Go, kid. What the shit? What? There's nothing. It's all right here. It's like 10 feet of snow right here. Go, Roxy, go. Go, baby. Go. Yeah. Clear my way.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, there we go. Go.
To baby Jax. I was very in the delivery room with Brianna because it was really nice. I got to have my husband Jeremy and my sister. So
It might seem so stupid, but I haven't been in there since the day we lost Mama. I can't go in there. I don't even want to hear the gate. It was hard clicking this latch, and not the second that it clicked, hearing Royce. And we got used to that quiet, but then we would at least know Mama was back there. And the second that we opened the door to her house, she'd be like, "Whoa. Don't. Hello, family." I know there's just no one back there. I'm sorry. Have I been doing that the whole time? I think I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna let Roxy come with me. She knows. She's so good. She knows not to come near here. She's so damn little. Do you want to come? Oh my God, this is so hard. She used to be so interested in coming over here, and she knows not to. She knew this was their area and that was their house, and this is her house and this is her area. Oh, I don't even want to hear it. Rox, you want to come? It's I need her to come with me. Do you want to come in? No? You know you shouldn't? It's so sad. I can't. It was so full of life and happiness, and now it's just this abandoned yard. It's so empty and quiet. There's their house. Their whole yard. Editing me here, I'm just realizing that if you don't know us or the girl's story, or if you know half their story, you're probably like, oh my God, you kept dogs in a shed? No. I'll insert pictures or video here of that tiny house that we built, fully finished, AC, heat. It was nicer than our house. It was better insulated than our house. It was always warmer and always cooler than our house. When you have dogs that can't be in the same room as each other, or in the same vicinity, or in the same yard, without literally wanting to rip each other to shreds. And I get that that's hard to understand when you don't live it, but I've lived it for probably half my life at this point. You do what you have to. We spent more quality time with them than we did with Roxy, believe it or not, because they just went so long without it. Anywho, I'll insert some pictures for all the loonies that are gonna get into a tiff. I'll even put in where they used to live for 8 years, how they used to live. I'll throw that in there too. And I don't make these videos really for everyone because I don't have a million people watching and I don't care about that. I literally get it from my dad, and I just I want to record everything because I want to keep everything close, and I don't want to forget anything. And my dad, from my first memory, he had a camera in his hand. And anywho, here's all the stuff. That's my explanation. Blah, blah, blah. Enjoy.
I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything.
Like, I can't even go near it. I can't. The amount of joy and light and love that they brought to our family is, you can't measure it, you can't name it, you can't word it, you can't anything. I guess it's probably like how people feel about babies. Like the joy of a newborn, I guess, which sounds like a nightmare to me. Just every day. How much fun they were. And how they taught us to just be what's happening now. Stop holding on. Because that was then. And it's, saying it out loud is like... But they were forgetting a horrible time, and like I'm trying to forget a wonderful time, and it's different and it sucks. Anyway. Cookies! Aww. It's okay, I added everything.
Oh, okay, no, it's okay. And you put them on Instagram or Facebook, both?
Everywhere. They're Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. What? I don't know if there's anything. Oh, big boy. So awesome.
Going on right now?
Little hangout thing. Yeah, girl. What's this called? Shut up. See, you looked older than that. Oh my goodness. Girl, what are you doing?
No, lick my toes. No, you can lick my toes.
Oh, girl.
Tricep implant? Who are you people? Let's go to the fucking gym.
Oh my god, you have to see this. All these birds in the girl's yard. Why are they all there?
He's so chubby.
Look at this. Look at all these birds. Right in the girl's house. By the house, the trees. I miss you too, ladies. He did the driveway. He has Roxy outside to play. I don't deserve him. If anyone thinks that I do, I don't. I don't know what this thing is, but he's so cute. Go get him, Rox. What are you making?
My melting snowman screaming.
Oh, okay. What else do you need? We got a whole bunch of shit in here we could use.
Something I can use for eyes.
Eyes? Let me get eyes. Eyes for a snowman. Eyes for a snowman. Much craft shit. Let's see what we got. Bats. Hearts. Where is he, son? Muffins came out like shit too, so maybe we'll make muffin eyes. You gotta punch holes in it.
I did, but they're like crumbling.
Oh, muffins don't work for eyes, in case anyone's wondering.
Once I began sourcing really
I'm not
clean
sure what's
software,
happening.
I noticed a total difference in my clarity and
Okay. India.
mood.
I found her. She's over here. It's not easy being Roxy.